Now, another thing I will like to tell you about density wave. हमने pressure wave, amplitude displacement wave देखा. Now we can correlate the density also, because volume is what? Dx into area of cross section. Mass is what? Density into volume. If I differentiate this function, यदि मैं इस फंक्शन को डिफरेंशिएट करूं तो मास तो हमेशा कांस्टेंट रहेगा और डेंसिटी क्या हो जाएगा? डी रो बाय रो प्लस dv by v. So what I can write here, that dv by v is minus d rho by rho. And I have bulk modulus as minus dp by dv upon v. So isn't bulk modulus can be written as minus dp upon d rho by rho? तो हमारे पास ये आ गया, bulk modulus is dp upon d rho by rho. तो dp क्या हो जाएगा? dp हो जाएगा b into d rho by rho. Any question here?
No.
So हम वेरिएशन शो कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. हमारे पास रिलेशनशिप आ गया कैसे dp वेरी कर रहा है. I can put it in the equation. So I'll get this function rho या delta rho as something pressure p naught upon c square into sine kx minus omega t minus kx. यहाँ से आप ये लिख सकते हो फाइनल प्रेशर वेरिएशन का. ठीक है. So this is a pressure wave, sorry, density wave. So all the things are interrelated.